Okay, this next set of questions is to solve equations by any method. So these two are quite simple to do. Now, one thing you should realize is when we factorize, there is no equal sign here and here, but when we are asked to find or to solve an equation, normally there's an equals 0 or equal to something. So let's start with 3x take away 18. So 3x take away 18 is number 25. So number 25, 3x, is it 3x? Let's check again. E is 3x, so it's 3x take away 18. 3x take away 18 equals so 0. First thing we do is to separate this expression, which has a number and a letter, and this one here, which is just a number. So we're going to push, okay, let's go back. We're going to push the 18. Let's change this color. I'm going to push the 18 to the other side. It becomes a plus 18. So the 3x remains. The 18 goes with the other side, becomes a positive, but we don't need to write the positive. And then we are multiplying 3 by x, so we need a number that when we multiply by 3 gives us 18, and that number is 6. Okay, so x equals 6. Okay, the other way to do this part is to say 3x is multiplying, or 3 is multiplying x, and that's equal to 18. So basically, I'm going to divide here by 3 because I'm interested in cancelling out the 3 so that I just have the x here. So if I divide by 3 on the left-hand side, LHS, I'm going to do the same on the right-hand side, RHS. So divide that by 3 as well. So you remain with x. 18 divided by 3 is 6, which is the same answer as this one. Okay, let's move to number 26. The number 26 says x squared minus 9 equals 0. So x squared, number 26, x squared take away 9 equals 0. So again, we're going to move the minus 9 to the other side, becomes a plus 9. So this becomes x squared equals 9. Okay, then to get rid of this squared here, we just find the square root of x squared equals to the square root of 9. Okay, so the square root of x squared is just x, and the square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. Okay, so which means that x plus 3, or x minus 3, or rather we can just say x equals to 3 or x equals to minus 3. Okay, that's the end of this one. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. So I'm gonna leave it here, and the next few questions we've come to the end of this particular page. So the next question, which is question 27, is going to be on this page here. Solve the equation by formula. Okay, solve the equation by formula. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll do the rest of these in the next video.